The following is a short tutorial on how to share artifacts, collections, and presentations through D2L. There are two different ways that you can do this. One is sharing with other D2L users into their accounts, or you can create a URL that can be sent out via email or other ways. The first way we're going to look at is how to share within users in D2L. As you can see, the collections, presentations, and artifacts all have drops down beside them. If you click on this drop down, you'll see that there are multiple options. The first option we're going to talk about is sharing. When you share a collection, artifact, or presentation, it will put it into the other user's Explore category. So if we click on Share, you'll see we have the option to add users and groups. So if we click there, you'll see that up in this box provided here, we can go to users and search all users within the D2L environment. Once you have selected the users you would like, you scroll down to the bottom and you're going to see that you can assign these users permissions. These users can view, see comments from others, add comments, see assessments from others, add assessments, and edit if you wish. Then if you're happy with your selections, you click Add. Now you will come to a screen that will show you who you've shared these artifacts with. If you wish to edit their permissions, you just click here, and if you wish to remove the sharing privileges, you just click here. Before we go into pushing an artifact, it is important to note that when you share a collection within D2L, the person that is being shared with cannot add to that collection. As well, since the artifacts that are being shared go into the Explore category, you are not able to use them to create new presentations. You can only use the artifacts that are under My Items category. However, there is a way to share artifacts so that they end up in the My Items category. How you do this is click on the Push option. Once inside the Push option, you'll see that you have an option to select which artifacts you would like to include and which ones you would not like to include. So just click the red X, it will eliminate the ones you do not want to include, and then click Next. Now, just as you did with Share, you'll be allowed to search users that you wish to push to. So for instance, select Users, type the user's last name in the box provided, and if you would like even an initial. This will search the database, and you'll see that there's myself. I will click on that. You'll see that that has added it, and then I can push this collection to them and just click yes. And now if that user were to go to their My Items, this success criteria folder would be there. So those are the two ways to share artifacts within D2L. However, if you wish to share artifacts without D2L, you would just create a presentation. Once the presentation is created, you would go to drop down of the presentation and then click on Share. Once inside here, under Public Access, just click off the box beside anyone with this URL below can access this item. Then you just highlight this item and you copy it by right-click. Once this URL is copied, it can be sent by email or put into documents and be shared with anyone outside of D2L. In summary, those are the three ways that you can share artifacts, collections, and presentations through D2L.